Hey guys, this is the second version of the CZ 452. It has got a new scope, which is completely different from the old one. You can look through it. It looks really nice. I added some detail here. And you can actually close this. And then I made a new bolt with a bolt stop here, and it doesn't look as good as the old one, but it's much easier to, I don't know what it's called, this and also it stops, it prevents the bolt from spinning around and things like that. And the trigger guard is also different. It looks better. And this is the old magazine. The thing with the chamber, or chamber, that you can see the bullet and the mag is still here. Not sure if you can see it, but you can still see the round. And the last change I made is I made an extended magazine, because I watched some videos on YouTube about the real CZ 452, and in most of the videos they had extended mags, because this can't hold very much rounds. So I made this extended magazine just the same with this thing. Yeah, that's it.